When I first met Catherine, we was one of those let's sit down and have coffee, and we met and chatted a little bit about what we each did, and she said, well, you know, I have this bookkeeping organization and I do QuickBooks, and I kind of want that to grow.
And as she said, it was a very, oh, it's nice to meet you, that's very interesting, wow, I can't afford you, good luck with what you're doing. And I had the opportunity to play leverage, and she wasn't even there that night, and got to talk with some of the other coaches and got to play the game, and I won a copy of The Business Coach. And I started reading it over the weekend, and I played on a Thursday night, and on Monday morning I had called her, I don't know, 2-3 times. All I could say was, we've got to talk, and I've got to figure out a way to afford you. And luckily the group coaching was a new concept, and I was very, very excited about that opportunity. It was the most intense, phenomenal experience as a business owner I've ever had, and it was really boot camp in a lot of ways. But the exponential growth of the business, and what started out as a home-based, trying to do some books in my back guest bedroom, has turned into a business that this year we're hoping to do about somewhere in the neighborhood of 160,000 gross, which is phenomenal for a small firm, considering what we started with. And I have a staff of 3.5, and I couldn't be more proud. And I love the fact that Dresden continues to push me, to challenge me, to make me want to be a better business owner. And she's constantly helping me find those areas where I don't know what I don't know.